Good morning, guys. It's Vet on Vet. So I want to quickly talk about the C8Z picture we got yesterday from Corvette Instagram. Not an official picture from Chevy or GM, nonetheless a C8Z. It looks like it's final production. I know every swing and wiener out there yesterday was posting videos. Now my knee-jerk reaction was to make a video and talk about what I like, disliked, but I want to give myself like 24 hours to digest it and do a proper video. So let's go ahead and roll that intro and then we'll get into it. All right, now in case you live in a cave and you follow Corvettes, I'm sure you've already seen it floating around the internet, the picture here of the upcoming C8Z. Now, this picture you see here is not an official picture, and even on the bottom it says it's a pre-production model. I would say this is probably 98% of what we're gonna see when it does come out. My initial reaction when I saw it, a little disappointed. It did seem, I remember when I saw the C7Z, thinking how much more aggressive it looked than the Stingray. However, I saw that in person for the first time, not in publication. It's not terrible, and it leads me to believe a lot of the camouflage we've seen with the whale tail might have been the 01 variant. No one really knows yet. We still don't know the power plant. All we know is hearsay that it's going to be a 5.5 liter flat plane crank with over 600 horsepower. But that probably won't be revealed until October 26th. As far as this final rendition we see here, all the major publications are taking this as this is the end all be all what we're gonna get. Quick Google search, you know, Car and Driver, Auto Week, Road and Track, Autoblog. They're all pretty much making an article like this is what you're gonna get. This is the first official photo, but GM themselves have not released anything on this. So this could just be another rendering, I don't know. But I think it's pretty safe to say that this is pretty close to what we're gonna get. A lot of people have joked on the side vent. That looks like a wishbone, trout mouth, dolphin, a female's UID, birth control thing. Anything Y-shaped, pretty much. I don't hate it. If this is the final production version of the C8Z, it's okay. I will say this, it's not a very flattering angle. It doesn't show its hips, doesn't show its wideness, doesn't show the rotors up close. I'm curious about the rear end, is there any difference there? The front end, I want to see it more straight on to give a real opinion. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I need to see it in person and it might grow on me. I will say this, as of right now, I do prefer the looks of the Stingray. Again, it might change when I see it in person and in different colors. I feel like they kind of used not the best color to leak this photo. I don't know why. The rims, I don't know. But again, this isn't a official photo. It could be, but it might not be. Still a lot more to come out between now and October 26th. I don't know, maybe this is part of GM's marketing to leak it. I don't know. Kind of strange, but yeah, there it is. So you will see a lot of information floating around. I wouldn't trust a lot of it until October 26th. I will do a huge, big upload that day. I might even do like a live video that day on the unveiling. That'd be kind of neat. But yeah, we'll see. I'm really curious to see the specs on this thing. And it sounds amazing. So we'll see. But yeah, those are my thoughts. It's not bad. It's okay. I prefer the look of the Stingray. I'm not mad about my C8 order being a Stingray. I'm totally fine with that. But yeah, it doesn't look too different from like a C7 Stingray to like the wide body Z06. This looks, I wouldn't say more narrow, but it looks very similar. Again, you can't tell from the photo. So, I don't know. I just wanted to touch on this real quick because I know a lot of people are just like, you know, their hair on fire talking about this, and a lot of people get really tired of seeing it all over all the C8 forums. But yeah, that's my take on it. So I'm curious to know what you guys think. Comment below, all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna do a proper Corvette news one day this week coming down the pipeline for you guys. Well, that's all I have for today. Quick to the point video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Mark out.